Good afternoon, class 7. Hope you all are doing well. Today in the chapter of heat and energy, we will study another topic. Today's topic is convection. So what is convection? Liquids are heated up by the process of convection. If you remember that in the previous lecture, we studied that conduction is a process by which solids are heated up, whereas convection is the process by which liquids and gases are heated up. So what is the definition of convection? When heat is transferred from one part of the fluid to another by the movement of the fluid itself. If you remember that in conduction, the particles transfer their heat from one part to the other. When the particles are heated up, they gain energy and then push the particles in front of them, and then in this way the heat is transferred in a solid. But in a liquid or in gas, the fluid itself takes the heat from one part to another. This will be more clear to you when you will look at this experiment.
Transfer of heat by convection. In this module, you will learn about the transfer of heat by convection. Water is boiled by heating it under the container. It cannot be done by heating it from the side or from the top. This is because of the peculiar way heat is transferred in liquids. Let us perform an activity to demonstrate the transfer of heat in liquids and gases. The items required for this activity are a round bottom flask, tripod stand, candle, matchbox, straw, potassium permanganate crystals and water. Fill approximately 2/3 of the flask with water and place it on the tripod stand. Wait till the water in the flask is still. Now, with the help of a straw, gently place a crystal of potassium permanganate at the bottom of the flask. Now, heat the water by placing the lighted candle just below the crystal. Carefully look at the pattern in which the pink color spreads. Directly above the flame, it goes up, but it sinks at the sides. Why does this happen? When water is heated, the water near the flame gets hot and rises up. The cold water from the sides moves down towards the source of heat. This cold water then gets hot and rises up. This process continues until the whole water attains the same temperature. This kind of heat transfer is known as convection. In convection, there is an actual transfer of the particles of the medium. This process necessitates the heating of a liquid from below rather than from the side or the top in order for it to boil. So, convection is the mode of heat transfer in liquids. Heat transfer in liquids takes place by the process of convection.
I hope the experiment was clear to you. You can still ask questions. Now you can do the question related to this topic in your copy and draw this diagram as well. You can submit the work by tomorrow. Take care and thank you.